Hello students, test 1 general aptitude CS, test ID is 110011, question number is 60. So what is the question? In a college election, one of the two candidates won by 210 votes by getting 70% of the total votes polled. So what was the total number of votes polled? So it's very simple. I will explain you the proper way also and the trick also. Proper, like just assume like total number of votes be X. Total number of votes is X. So 70% is the total votes polled. So and what was the total? So 70% is polled. So 30% is not polled. So 40% is remaining. So 70% of X minus 40% of X is 210. Correct? So it will be like that, because one candidate got 70%. So the okay, fine, I will just explain you. See, total number of vote is X. One candidate is getting 70%. First candidate is getting 70%. So the second candidate will get how much? 30%. Okay, and the first candidate won by 210 votes. So 70% of X and 30% of X. Whatever votes he got and whatever votes he got, the difference is 210. So it is 70% of X minus 40% of X. Sorry, 30% of X. I'm so sorry. It's 30% of X. So it will be 40% of X. It is 210. So X will be 210 into 100 by 40. So it will be 525. So this is and trick is very simple. It's very simple. See, it's given like 70% one candidate got, and so 70% first candidate. So remaining candidate, the second candidate got 30%. So remaining is 40%. So when we will divide 210 by 0.4, so we no need to calculate these values. Simply we can eliminate the options and we can get 525. How we will get? I will show you. It's 210, so it will be 2100 by 4. So just take 21 outside, and this will be 25. So the A, B, D option will not satisfy this multiplication, so it will be 525. So no need to calculate these values. Simply you can get 525. So the answer is C. Thank you.